Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for today is confidence in the flesh, Philippians 3, 1-3. The Apostle Paul wrote Philippians from prison, Philippians 1:13. See, his life was uncertain, yet his message was clear, not fear, but joy. He begins by saying, rejoice in the Lord, Philippians 3:1. Not rejoice in circumstances, success, or self, but in the Lord. Then Paul gives a warning. He says, beware, Philippians 3 verse 2. He warns against religion that looks holy on the outside, but shifts our confidence away from Christ and onto ourselves. See, this is what Paul calls confidence in the flesh, trusting rituals, backgrounds, or good works for salvation. See, Paul then defines a true believer. He says, for we are the circumcision who worship God in spirit, rejoice in Jesus Christ, and have no confidence in the flesh. Philippians 3 verse 3. See, friends, true Christianity is not outward performance, but inward surrender. Why? Because salvation is not earned, it's received. The Bible says, for by grace you have been saved through faith, not of works. Ephesians 2, 8-9. See, friends, when we trust ourselves, joy disappears. When we trust Christ, joy becomes unshakable. So today, ask yourself one question. Where is my confidence? Because if the Son makes you free, you shall be free indeed. John chapter 8, verse 36. God bless.